Why does concrete need to be prepared to provide an assured substrate? You know, we hear this sort of thing often. Oh, this is new concrete, so it won't need to be ground or shot blasted. Or we might hear, I always acid clean, I've never had a problem. Or the concrete has been put down by a very good contractor, it won't need preparation. Maybe something like this, I just use a scraper and wash it down, that makes a good enough surface. But what are the real reasons why concrete does need preparation? Whether it is for applying coatings, moisture barriers, epoxy overlays, bonding ceramic tiles, pouring screed overlays, or for vinyl or carpet, the reasons are all somewhat similar. Though the methods for one may vary from one floor treatment or covering to another. We know that often the contractor doesn't have a problem, but the owner is left with a poor job and doesn't call that guy up for the next job. Here's a brief on some of the points I cover in a comprehensive concrete floor preparation training course. If you would like to attend one of these courses, we have from time to time in Sydney and Melbourne or Auckland, just email me on hayden@floorex.com.au. Preparation is about the following. Firstly, removing contaminants. Concrete when curing produces contaminants. And old concrete will be contaminated with glues, paint, dirt, latents, a weak surface layer. We need to see this removed to make a white concrete clean surface. 2. Creating a correct profile. Some overlays, mortars and screeds are better with a bit bigger profile, and therefore shot blasting can be the preferred method because it costs less once you own the machine. Larger profiles can be delivered with bush hammers or scarifiers. Diamond grinders deliver the bulk of surface preparation and can produce a good profile for many coatings and for floor coverings applications. 3. Taking off undulations and uneven areas. This is far more important than often realised. Whether you are installing flooring, vinyl or coatings, I often see that where no preparation or poor preparation has occurred, the coating is worn out on the high spots long before the rest of the coating is worn through. Coatings will flow after applied and often ends up thin on trowel marks or grinding gouges from poor quality machines, etc. Coatings that may have lasted for 8 to 10 years may be worn through in patches in 2 or 3 years. That is poor performance of what should have been a good coating. 4. Check for moisture problems. You need to be sure that the slab is not expiring moisture. If this occurs when there is a coating or floor covering installed, this will cause delamination or bubbling. I cover the kind of equipment used in depth in our training seminars and how to be sure you have achieved the correct substrate conditions. I look forward to working with you into the future with your questions. And thank you very much.